guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today, in the spirit of all these spring and Easter DIYs, I am bringing you an invitation to my challenge, which is a springtime DIY challenge, and I am asking you to share one or more DIYs that are related to spring. It can be Easter as well, or any type of spring project that you would like to share with us. There are very few rules. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to mention my channel in the description box. And as far as the budget is, a lot of the DIYs that I do are budget friendly, but there is the occasional one that needs a little bit more money because I can't get the supplies at the dollar store, or it's just a bigger project and it's more expensive. So I am not limiting you, saying it has to be budget friendly or it has to be a Dollar Tree item. It can really be anything that you want to create and no budget. So I hope that you can join me. The upload date will be Thursday, April the 2nd at 7 a.m. Eastern time. So let me know down below if you're thinking of participating, and I can't wait to see what everybody comes up with. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.